So we will add a property and we will name the property, say let's say Hibiscus Plaza. Okay, number of units, let's say it has 25 units. City, say Nairobi. Then anything after this show more button is an optional field. Okay, so we can click on show more. Water rate, so this is the rate that you charge your tenants for water. So the average rate is usually 150. Electricity rate, usually it's token, so it's a prepaid meter, so 0 for now. But if you're billing your tenants postpaid, you can enter your figure here for water. M-Pesa pay bill, this is only if you have an M-Pesa pay bill that you got directly from Safaricom. This is where you enter your pay bill number, and if you have your till number, this is where you enter your store number and your till number itself. Okay, and then rent payment penalty, so this is if you want to penalize your tenants. Okay, so you can choose to penalize your tenants, say on a fixed amount, percentage of rent, or percentage of balance. So this is where you choose. Okay, yeah. And then tax rate, the default rate is 7.5%. and then other recurring bills. So say for example you're charging your tenants garbage and it's a recurring fee every month of maybe 300 shillings. This is where you would enter garbage 300. Okay, like that, 300. And every time the system will be generating the invoices for rent at the start of the month, it will also be generating garbage. So it will be creating rent and garbage, okay, for every tenant. So you don't have to go and do it for each and every tenant once, one after the other. This will capture for all the tenants at a go. Okay, and then management fee. This is where this is if you are a property manager, you will enter the management fee here. So if it's a fixed amount or percentage of the rent collected, this is where you enter it. Street name and all those things, these are all things that you can skip for now, or you can also choose to add. Payment instructions, this is what will be included in your invoices as the payment instruction for your building. So you can use, say if it's equity, you can say to pay, use pay bill number 247247 and account number, and then your account number. But for now we can now add the property.